Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And I'm gonna do a trade recap on my Apple trade. Today is the 26th of July 2022. It's a Tuesday. Right now is 10:23 a.m. So let's see. I did my pre-market analysis on how I gauge sentiment in the market and how I pick my stocks and how I execute my strategies and just make my overall plan for how I trade the open, right? So I'm probably gonna try and link that. I never did this before, but I'm gonna try and link that pre-market video to this video, so you could probably watch that video first. But if not, just check out the prior video to see how I arrived at this trade. So starting off, Camarilla levels, 153.35, that's S3 on the prior day. R3 is 154.52. Let me make sure that's correct. It's 154.92, my bad. All right, so that's that. And we have a overlapping lower value today because we have R3 at 153.70, which is above previous day S3 at 153.35, but we have S3 now at 152.19. So we have an overlapping lower value, which is it's a moderately bearish kind of setup, right? So what that means is like, yeah, you're gonna look for shorts, right? But you're not gonna look for a trendy short. You're not gonna look for like big moves. You're gonna get some selling, but you'll probably get some buying coming in, which is kind of what's happening right now. So let's see how I did this, right? So in the pre-market, I'm actually my strategy here is the Mama Bear strategy because we're in a downtrend, right? We're looking for the retest of S3, and this is an overlapping lower value, right? So we're looking for shorts. So we're looking for a retest of S3, right? And then we're looking for the continuation lower. So in the pre-market, I took a small position right here at 152.20 at S3. And when the market opened, we had this initial pop-up, I guess. And as I was explaining in my pre-market video, I'm willing to, when I take this entry right here, I'm willing to have my stop. So I didn't have a hard stop, right? So my the size I took right here at 152.20, I could afford to have like a whole dollar stop, right, at 153.20. So it popped up here, showed its hand, showed the weakness. I think this is yesterday's close, right? Yeah, that purple dash line, that's yesterday's close. So on the rejection of that, added to the position right here, nice size. Let's see, added to the position here at 152.90. Added to the position again at the breakdown of 152.69, which is R1. Let's see if I can bring that out. Well, the candle is blocking it right there, but that's R1 right there. Actually, that's S1, my bad. And yeah, I just rode that price action all the way down, right? So we did have a little pullback here, so I just set up my my stops, my range orders, put my stop above here, above this candle, right? And just trail my stop down. Well, actually I set my first 50% target at 151.50, and as I looked at price action coming down, we almost hit it, but then we kind of just fell short of the glory right there. And this is what you have to expect now with overlapping lower value in the Camarillas. It's moderately bearish. So it's like I said, you're gonna probably expect some buying to come in, and you're probably gonna get some resistance, right? Some support, So with that being said, I went to my rule of if it breaks above lower VWAP, which is this green line right here. Let me just see if I can make that a little bigger. Right, so if it breaks above lower VWAP, I'm gonna take off 50% of the position, right? So that's what I did at, I think, let's see what price that was. 151.86, right? So took off 50% at 151.86. The average price was 152.76 was my average price. So almost got a dollar move here at the 50% level, at the 50% partial. And then my next rule is if we break above VWAP, I'm gonna stop out. But I actually set this second clearing, like covering all the next 50% at 52.08. So I just put it just above like the whole number of 152.08. So if we broke above that, I'm out. You know what I'm saying? So it got a nice, I got a nice a nice move. And you know what I mean, like today I actually executed perfectly, right? This is how I wanted to trade my setup. I want to short the retest up here, and it's just working out nicely, man. My strategy is working out nicely. So on these retests in a bear market, is just short the pop, man. You know what I'm saying? It's elementary to me. But you know, some people is kind of fighting the market, and you know, you want to take reversals and stuff like that, which is cool, man. You know, everybody each to their own, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going with the overall trend and sentiment, right? We have interest rates about to come out. People are going to start clearing out their positions. If they're bullish, they're going to start clearing out their positions in anticipation. So you're going to get some selling. So, you know, if you want to keep going bullish, man, go ahead, do your thing, you know what I'm saying? But I'm squarely bearish in this market. And this Mama Bear strategy of mine is working pretty good, you know what I'm saying? And again, it's in a downtrend, retest of S3. Today we actually popped up above like the S1 to pre-market, well, not pre-market, yesterday's close, which was even better, you know what I'm saying? You're getting a better risk to reward. And yesterday I took the breakdown of S3, which was around here, like it flushed down. No, I took the break of pre-market low, right? And then it popped up on me like how it's doing now, right? And I had to hold to get this move here, right? If you look at that video, you'll see that I was talking about that execution wasn't too good, right? So this is the kind of execution I want, right? And I'm not willing to hold for it to come back all the way up here. If anything, I would try and kind of develop, like maybe to take like a short here or another short on the break of S3, something like that, to catch like this move now, you know what I'm saying? But all in all, this was great execution of my strategy, and I'm good to go today. PNL is looking nice again, and we're running on a little green streak right now, man. So hopefully I just keep it going. And not to say hopefully, man, this is not hope. This is actually from years of studying and reading books and getting chart time and just, you know, building my knowledge and my experience. They say you need 10,000 hours to master something. So I don't know how much hours I'm at right now, but you know, I'm starting to get the hang of this thing, you know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, it's King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.